Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening Settings and heading straight to the Taskbar page so you can change icon sizing. Once you're in Personalization Taskbar, make sure Taskbar Behaviors is visible. Some options are nested. You may need to scroll to find Taskbar Behaviors. If your build lacks the option, enable the experimental feature or update Windows. Now click Taskbar Behaviors to expand controls and prepare to switch sizes. This is the first actionable step to shrink icon spacing and appearance. Once done with Taskbar Behaviors, set alignment and toggle smaller taskbar icons where available. This covers the supported simple path. If the built-in option doesn't expose a size switch, you'll edit the registry. Run regedit as admin, navigate to hkcu/software/microsoft/windows/current version/explorer/advanced, create or edit use small icons, Word, and set to 1. Make sure to back up the key first. After editing, restart Windows Explorer to finish, restart Explorer or reboot so changes take full effect. You'll see tighter spacing and smaller icons. Once done, verify that app icons and notifications remain usable and not clipped. If something goes wrong, revert use small icons to 0 or restore your registry backup. You can also change display scaling back to 100% or adjust resolution. If icons overlap after changes, sign out and back in, and verify you edited the correct registry path before repeating the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.